My name is 96K and you're watching BBU channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change spark plug of Royal Enfield Classic 350. Let's get started. If you're a bike enthusiast or you want to work on your bike all by yourself or you want to save your few bucks, for that you gotta have your own toolbox in which you can keep all your tools and a tool set. If you want to buy a toolbox and tool set, I've given link in the description. Go and click on it. It will lead to you to the Amazon and you can buy from there. On the left side of every bullet, you will find your bullet toolkit, in which unfortunately you won't find tool to remove spark plug. Please forgive me for filthy and devastated tool cover. Now let's close back steel cover. And please forgive me for seat cover as well. First step is to remove the rider seat, and for that we are gonna unscrew 3 bolts as shown by a white arrow in the video. We're gonna need 2 spanners. One is to loose the bolt and the second spanner is to hold the nut as shown in the video. To loosen the bolt, we have to rotate the spanner on left side. By the way, in the video it seems bolt is getting easily loosened, but the real fact is I have already loosened it, just because I didn't want to waste time while making video, nothing else. Likewise, on the opposite side do the same process, but on this side it is quite a hectic job since there are so many parts which doesn't give free space to hold the nut, as you can see. Oh, my bad. I forgot to remove one more bolt. Let's go remove that one too. All three bolts are of same size. To be precise, you would want 12 number spanner of two shape. That is, one is of U shape and the second one is of circle shape. While removing third bolt, we don't have to worry about nut since it is welded. Step 2. Now we have to remove fuel tank. For removing this fuel tank, we have to remove these two bolts with the help of 8 number spanner. Let's remove it. Now gently pull the fuel tank towards yourself. I repeat, we have to pull it towards yourself, not upward in upward direction. But hello, we forgot the most important thing, which is to cut off the fuel gauge. OMG, yeah, so much work to do. One more way, ignoring all of our steps, we can easily remove fuel tank by this Jugadu method, which was done by my mechanic close friend whose name is Shafi, who is a fantastic mechanic in Vishrantwadi, Pune. If you have work related to your bullet, you can contact him. I will give you his contact details in the description link. In order to remove the both sides spark plug, we have to rotate spark plug in anti-clockwise direction. On the left side, there is a big size spark plug as compared to right side, and you will need bigger circle shaped spanner to remove the plug. As you can see in the video, the upper housing of the engine is removed, but that is not removed in order to change spark plug. Upper housing of the engine is removed only to change rocker oil seals, on which I am going to publish video soon, so please don't mistake in it. Always remember, please always make sure both spark plugs are tightened adequately, because if they are not tightened properly, the particular type of sound starts coming from the upper housing of the engine, and that will quite obviously irritate you all the time. while removing the plug, be gentle with the steel cover because it is very delicate, and if you damage it, the single cover will cost you 150 bucks. While putting back the cover of spark plug, you will hear a tick sound which indicates that cover is fitted properly. Never forget that. That is very crucial while while putting back the spark plug. Now let's go on the right side. Here as well, we have to do the same procedure but with different spanner. Be careful with the spark plug wire, as you can see it can get easily cut off. Since there is very narrow space, we have to use different spanner, as you can see in the video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. My name is 96K, signing off.